So YouTube, I'm hoping to maybe get a little bit of insight out of this video. I got a 2002 Acura TL. I know you can't really see it, it's dark as shit, but whatever, it doesn't matter. I just bought this like a week and a half ago, and needs a little love, but so far I've done the spark plugs in the front and back. Did the oil. It's not leaking oil. It doesn't appear to be leaking coolant anywhere. Neither of the two appear to be mixing anywhere. Still got this knock even after running seafoam through it and running ethanol-free 91 octane gas. Still got this knock, and just give it a listen, I guess, and tell me what you think. Just trying to figure out how to fix it. This guy lost the keyless entry dot too. Asshole. 1 second. We're gonna listen to it from cold start. Just listen to it for a few minutes. Bear in mind this knock does go away as the RPMs get higher. It does go away after the car is nice and hot. But it still just doesn't sound like it's running right, so I don't know. Give it a listen. As you can see, no lights, and they do work because a few of them were on to begin with. I just, after doing some work on it, cleaning the EGR and all that stuff, I got most of the check engine lights to go away, and now I don't have any, so I think with the EGR cleaning and the spark plugs, I think that kind of corrected it. But anyhow, I should probably pop the hood. This car is ugly, but it's so hope got some different. Get a better idea what the idle's like listening to back here, but so now we'll listen to it after it's good and hot. Well, not good and hot, but a little off operating temperature. As you can hear, it's still knocking a little bit. Still a little more. So those are the mileage details right there. I don't know really how well barely see them. Whatever, it doesn't really matter. It's got 150 some plus. It doesn't idle badly after it's warm, like sitting here. Like, close the door, you can hear it. So it's not like bad, but definitely hear it. Just kind of wondering if maybe that like a timing belt would resolve that. Just new timing belt, new crankshaft, seals, new water pump, new pulleys all around. Because I think I can do that for like $250, and I'm pretty sure I can do it in my driveway. But I don't want to like go and spend all that money and do all that work if it won't fix anything. But regardless, I mean, this thing probably hasn't had that done ever, because I mean, the thing's been beaten to shit. Obviously, it's got a busted window, you know. But mechanically, I mean, the brakes work, tranny's good. I mean, everything else about it is good, and it runs great. I mean, it'll run right out on the highway too. But I don't know. My next step would be probably timing belt, do all the ignition coils, and maybe another couple oil changes. But beyond that, I don't know, guys. Any help I can get, I appreciate it. Thanks. Bye.